Hello and welcome back to the Lobo Designs channel. My name is Heather Lynn. I'm the owner of Lobo Designs and I'm here today to show you how to import fonts into your Procreate user interface. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with a blank layer here just so that there's nothing busy on my screen. So I'm going to hide these three and I'm just going to open a blank layer so you can see what I'm doing more clearly. I'm going to walk you through how to import a font. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go up into the Actions menu, which is the wrench at the top of your screen over here. You're going to make sure that you're on the Add tab and you want to make sure that you pick Add Text. What's going to come up next, depending on how you selected that, might look different. So this is what your screen will look like if you tapped on Add Text with your pencil. And I'm going to show you what happens if you tap on Add Text with your finger. So when you tap on Add Text with your finger, you get the full keyboard. When you tap on Add Text with your pencil, you get a different menu that brings up options to see your keyboard, and then you'll get the mini keyboard over on the side. So if you don't want the mini keyboard and you want the full keyboard, you want to tap with your fingertip and not with your pencil tip. So I'm going to go through that one more time, and I'm going to bring you into the smaller menu to show you how to get into the keyboard from there. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to get rid of these two. Go back to my regular layer, and again, we're gonna go up into the Actions menu on the Add tab, hit Add Text with your pencil, and then down here, you'll see Options. What you're going to tap is the uppercase A, lowercase a button, and that's going to bring up this menu. The only thing that you need to do to import a font is to tap right here on the Import Font. You're going to navigate to your iPad Files app or wherever you have your files saved. I use the Files app to save everything because I can hop from my iMac to my MacBook to my iPad to my iPhone, all of my Apple products in one swift movement. So I'm going to be importing this font right here today. I'm just going to tap on it one time and it's going to pull into the Procreate user interface. Tapping. It imported, and now it's going to be down here at the bottom of my fonts menu so that I can use it when I'm typing. And it's as easy as that. So then what you want to do when you're done is you can click Done over here on the right. And if you want to edit that text, currently I'm typing in white, so I'm going to just do something quickly so you can see this a little bit better. Okay, so now you can see my text. So if you're on this text menu here and you then want to edit that text, you can tap on it with your pencil. You'll then get this menu down here again, and you can either tap on the keyboard with your pencil or you can tap on it with your fingertip, and you're going to get this small keyboard over here. Again, if you want the full keyboard, what I do is I get out of here, going to tap on here. When you tap anywhere else on your screen, it's going to bring up this top mini menu. Tap with your finger on this keyboard icon and you'll get the full keyboard back. So again, it's the difference of hitting this keyboard button with my pencil tip or the keyboard button with my fingertip on whether or not I get the regular size keyboard or whether I get the mini keyboard that's on the side. And what that looks like is this little keyboard here. We're going to bring it up on the side here. And if you have this one up, you can actually tap down on the bottom of this and you can move it around your screen to have it elsewhere if you want to keep it out of the way. I personally prefer the full keyboard, so when I'm tapping on the keyboard, I always tap on it with my finger to make sure I get that full keyboard. So again, if you get the full keyboard and you want to import, you're always looking for this uppercase A, lowercase a. You're going to tap on that wherever it is on your screen, whether it shows up here on the right or if it shows up in the mini menu down at the bottom. You're going to tap on that and you're always going to import font. Once you tap import font, you find the file that you want to download. You want an OTF or a TTF so that you can import either one of those. Tap on the font, it will import, and you will be right to where you need to be to use that font in your project. I hope that was helpful, and that concludes this tutorial. As always, feel free to join us in the Glowcreate group on Facebook for additional tips and tricks on how to use Procreate and Adobe Illustrator beyond the screen to turn your digital artwork into physical products. If you enjoyed this video and would like to be notified of future tutorials, please hit the like button and subscribe below. Until next time, this is Heather Lynn of Lobo Design signing off. I'll holla at you later.